It's your travel agent, David, and we are in the Hamburg International Airport today. We're getting ready to fly to Helsinki. So let's go check out this airport. When you come here, it's like most of the other European airports. You gotta look at the board and see what gates or check-in place they're going to use, because they use numbers. They're not set up specifically for airlines like they are in the United States. So you gotta look at the board, find what number you gotta go take your bags to, then you'll get your gate and everything like that from there. So there are bathrooms right outside of security to your left-hand side. There's the first set of bathrooms I've seen this way. It's by gate A26. you're going to run into B gates through the A gates. So when you get there, you got to go through border control again. So I guess this is for the international, but you'll have B in the middle of A, and then it picks back up at A33 through 46. So B 33 through 56, I believe it was, they're all border control. So gates A and B, 37, 38, 39, 40 are the same gates. So I don't know if one has a jetway and one goes down and you gotta get onto the plane from the tarmac, but it doesn't look like it. And then you got one set of bathrooms right here as well.